Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. If you are new here, welcome. So in today's video, I'll be doing a one eyeshadow makeup look. One eyeshadow on my eyelid, that's it. And I use the Juvia's Place palette right here. And this palette can never fail me. So that's the reason why I only use this one, okay? And I'm gonna show you how I create this whole entire look. I'm even gonna show you the whole entire base, like full coverage, foundation, everything. I'm going to show you every single thing in this video. Make sure you already subscribe to my channel. If you are not, please click that red subscribe button down below. Turn on your bell because I do upload Monday through Friday. And yeah, I will see you guys Monday in my next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome. So I'm not going to do any talking. I'm going to be doing a voiceover. So I'm going to zip it. And I'm going to have my cereal because I was so hungry. Next, I'm going to go into my toucher. I did put that on off camera. And then I'm going to go into my Hydrala facial for dry skin. Basically, I mean, pretty much it's for every skin tone. And this one have hyaluronic acid in it. And I'm going to go ahead and put it all over my entire face and also my neck. And I learned this from Jackie Einer because I never used hyaluronic acid. And since she started to use it and she told me about it, I was like, okay, let me try it, and I love it. Now I'm going to go into my Benefit Precise Brow in 4.5, and then I'm just going to go ahead and fill in the, bald spots and stuff like that. I'm going to go into the LA Girl Pro to clean up the brows, and this one is in Fawn, and I'm also going to take that all the way down to my eyelid. Next, I'm going to take the Mascarade palette, and this is from the Juvia's Place, and I'm taking this shade right here. It is called Zobo, Z-O-B-O, and it's pretty much like a nice, cool, dark, purpley, pinkish shade. And I'm going to take it onto a flat top brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it on. I'm not going to blend it out right now. I'm just going to go ahead and stamp it on and keep on putting more until I get to the desired color. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty in Butter, and I'm only going to put that right underneath my brow bone because it was still sticky from that concealer. So I just wanted to just put there so that the top part of the shadow that I put on just kind of blend out by itself. So that's the reason why I'm putting that powder right underneath my brow bone. Now I'm going to take another brush, and there is no product onto this brush, and I'm going to go ahead and just blend out the top part where the lines are because I do not want to have any lines showing. So I'm going to go ahead and just blend that out properly. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray my brush. I'm taking another brush and I'm using the Mario Badescu, and I'm going to get a brighter color. I'm using that same color from the palettes, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on onto a flat top brush. And the trick is, when you do like a one tone color and you want to get, you know, the other one more brighter, spray your brush. And as you can see how my lid is brighter than the rest of my eyes, so that's the trick. Like, spray your brush and it will get a nicer and brighter pigment, and it will look much brighter than, you know, if you don't spray your brush. So I'm going to put that over my entire lid, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out with that first brush that I used to put that color on. Next, I'm going to take my NYX wing liner, and I'm going to do a little teeny wing today. I'm not going to go too dramatic because my lashes was very dramatic, as you can see in the intro, but I'm going to do a little wing today. Then I'm going to go into my Maybelline mascara. And the lashes I'll be wearing today is called Damn Girl from my wig company, PrestigeMahair.com. The link is always down in the description box, so make sure you check it out. But this one is a very dramatic, and it's the reason why it's called Damn Girl, because when you put it on, let me tell you something. Look at that. It is so long. Well, not too long, but it's long, and it's just looking so nice. So you have to be very bold to wear this lash. And yeah, so make sure you guys check out the link down in the description box. Next, I'm going to use my Kat Von D, and I am in the shade Clove something. I don't remember, but I'll put it in the description box. Don't worry about it. Make sure you check the description box for all the products that I use. And I'm going to go ahead and just put it all over my entire face. So I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic off. This one is a strip and I just laid my wig on, and yeah, that's the reason why I have to take it off, because I know it's gonna have two lines showing and I want everything to blend together. And as you can see, that lace is laid and melted right into my skin. Next, I'm going to use my e.l.f. and this one is in, what color? Medium golden. It was very light to be medium golden, and I wish I had put a darker color first, then this one on top, but I didn't. But I'm going to do it after I blend this out. So yeah, it was very light, and pretty much it was very light. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out. So I take the Fenty in 380, which I should have put first, but I put it after, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend it out, and it looked much better. It's toned down, it's not too bright. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty in Butter. This is the one I use under my brows, and I'm going to go ahead and set the lid, and I'm not going to bake. I told you guys a million times, but I know a lot of people are new to my videos. Hi, my name is Prestige P, and I cannot bake because I do have dry skin. So yeah, I can't bake at all. So I'm going to go ahead and just stamp it on and then brush it off. Now I'm going to take my MAC in NW45 just to brush off those excess powder and set my foundation. Now I'm going to go into the Fenty in Mocha Mami, and this is the bronzer, and I'm going to take that just to bronze up my face. Now I'm going to go back into that same palette, and I'm going to take a pencil brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the bottom of my lashes, the bottom of my eyes, lashes, I can't speak today. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap it on, and then I'm going to take another smaller brush just to smoke it out a little bit more. Now I'm going to go into my ABH Blush Trio in Cocktail Party, and I'm only going to take the pinkish one, very light pink, and I'm going to go ahead and do a little blush today. Then I'm going to go into my Morphe setting mist spray and spray my face. Then I'm going to take my Fenty in the Girl Next Door and Cheek Freak, and I'm going to put it onto my highest point of my cheeks and just put a little bit of highlight, not too much, because this one definitely will be really bright. You don't want to put too much, and it also blend right into my skin when I put it on. So I'm just going to go ahead and put it right onto the cheeks and the nose area. Now I'm going to take a lip liner from the beauty supply store, and this one is in Espresso, and I'm going to go ahead and line the lips. Then I'm going to take my Fenty in Fenty Glow and just put on a little bit of gloss. I didn't want to put like nothing bright. I just want to put a little pop of color onto my lips. So pretty much that's the only thing I'm doing for my lips today. Now I'm going to set my face one more time, and this is the ABH Dewy Set, and my camera was acting funny, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. And pretty much, guys, this is the finished look, one eyeshadow makeup look. I really enjoyed doing this. It was really easy, and I'm gonna do more, so make sure you guys tune in. I do upload Monday through Friday, and make sure you give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below and sound off, and tell me what you think about this whole entire look. And yeah, guys, I'll see you Monday in my next video. Bye.